Hi friends, I'm again back to explain you how we can check the papers. Once the exams are conducted, I've already shown you in the earlier videos how you collaborated your parallel teachers, and I've also showed you how you have edited and you have become the owner of a paper. Now today I'm here to show you how you will check the papers. Now this is the paper that I have got. I had sent my children and I have got the responses. Now let me tell you, what does this word responses mean? Now when you will be giving the link in the WhatsApp and the children will start answering, teachers, keep in mind you have to keep this paper opened right in front of you. The link that you have sent to your children, you have to keep that particular paper in front of you. जो पेपर का लिंक आपने बच्चों को व्हाट्सएप में भेजा है, वही पेपर आप अपने सामने इस तरीके से खोल के रखिएगा और यहाँ आपका रिस्पॉन्सेस धीरे धीरे बढ़ता रहेगा. आपको मालूम है कि आपकी क्लास में टोटल स्ट्रेंथ है 50 बच्चों की, और जब जैसे एग्जाम शुरू हुआ धीरे धीरे आप देखिएगा ये रिस्पॉन्स 5 से 50 होते जाएगा. मान लीजिए 40 मिनट का टाइम में, इन दोस 40 मिनट्स there are only 45 papers that you have got. So only 45. So you can understand by seeing the response that there are 5 children who did not send. So you can write up in the WhatsApp and tell you're waiting for the 5 children. Now, if they send you any response that teacher, the file is getting uploaded or there is some problem, you can wait. But suppose if they don't reply within 20 minutes, then what you will do, you will go to responses and not accepting file. Now, this paper will be in this way. Accepting responses. That means पेपर अभी भी response ले सकता है, लेकिन जहां आपका 40 मिनट हो जाएगा, जहां आपको लगता कि आपने बहुत ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा टाइम दे दिया है, you will simply click this and make it unchecked. That means the paper will become not accepting. ये पेपर आपका और आंसर्स नहीं लेगा. तो the moment this paper stops, then you can start correcting. और यहाँ आपको responses में पता चल जाएगा आपके कितने बच्चों ने आंसर किया. Now this part, 1 of 5. So अगर आपके 50 बच्चों 85 ने आंसर किया तो you will see all over here. अगर आपके 50 में 40 ने किया तो यहाँ आपका 40 रहेगा. ये रोल नंबर 1, 2, 3, और ये रोल नंबर आपके क्लास के रोल नंबर के हिसाब से नहीं है. ये रोल नंबर्स उस हिसाब से है the way they have submitted the paper. The way they have submitted, the respondents will fall according to it. So you start correcting the first child who has submitted. Now you go down, you will see the name of the child, then you will see the question. Now this is an objective question. The child has already ticked and the child has got 1. Here you will see it is already being checked. Now we are having lengthy question answers. Now this is a question which at the time of correction the child did not get. So now I will check this answer. This will be 0. The paper will be like this in front of you. So when you read, you are seeing the child has only given you 2 marks. And these two, along with these two, the child would have given another point. So the child has not given. So instead of 3 marks, you will give him 2. Now you will go to the next question. There was an image upload. So you will see the image. You will click on the image. You will see the image. You will read the question. There are 4 points and all the 4 points are correct. Today I will not show you how to correct the paper here itself. There is an option. You have to download the image and then you can correct the paper in pen and paper. But here you can read it, or I'm showing you, you will download the image. When you will download the image, you will see the file will open in your docs, in your documents folder. In your My Computer, the file will open in My Computer download. The address of the file. Now, there is an option. It will open in like this folder. So you will click the pen button. You will take draw. You will click on the pen, ball pen. You will click the color. You will tick the thickness. You will make it thin like a pen. And you will start correcting. Can you see, teachers? And you will add a marks here, 4. And then you will save it. Now you need to save it according to the way they have submitted. So the first paper was Keshav's of standard 8. Or you can even write 8C, 8C, first paper submitted. So you'll write 8C1 and keep it in your desktop. You can keep it in your desktop, or you can even make a separate folder where you can click the images. So you save it. This is letting your ink dry. So this paper is already saved with 4 marks. You give it a cross. You go back. Now this file is open in a separate window. You can go back to the paper where you were correcting, and instead of 4 marks, suppose this was 4 and the child will get 4. So you can give him 4 marks. Then you have another which is to be corrected. Then suppose this child has given a wrong answer. So the child gets 0. And if the child gives a correct answer, then you can give 1 or 2 marks here. Then similar thing, the child has not option, the child has got 0 over here. So you can also give the child a 0. So the child gets 0 by correcting. You can give increase, you can decrease marks, you can increase, you can even give 0. Finally, you need to save whatever marks he has got. So the marks are being saved. And you can see how much the child has got. The child has got 8 out of 11. So in this way, the child can see. So teachers, I would like to tell you the marks the children can see once the marks are already, they have submitted the paper, the children will be able to see the objective marks. Again, after you upload the manually marks, after that, if the child clicks on the same link in the WhatsApp, the child will be able to see his final marks too. Thank you, friends. Thank you, teachers. I hope this part is clear. Yet, if you have any doubts, you can please contact the teachers. This is Nandita here. Thank you.